Alright, on this video I'm going to show you two really awesome tricks, really easy to do. We have a card trick and then we also have a candy trick. So let's go right now! Alright, the first trick I'm going to show you is with a card and a $100 bill. Of course, this isn't a real $100 bill. I use this a lot of times on my pranks. It says play money right there, okay? But whatever you're using, it doesn't matter. You just take whatever you're using and you fold it around the card like this, okay? You give a little blow and you blow again, and that card melts right through. Look at that. It goes right through there just like that. Look at that. Doesn't that look so cool? Now I can pull it off and I can show you there's no slits, no holes or nothing. You can actually hand this out and let them examine it. Alright, for this trick you actually just need 2 pieces of candy. This is really cool. This really fooled me pretty bad. What you do is you take the plates, you actually turn it around 1, 2, and 3 times. You can lift the plate off and there you have enough candy for all of your friends. Alright, there you go. 2 really easy, simple tricks that I'm going to teach you right now. But before I do, make sure you subscribe. Don't go anywhere because at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving these tricks away. Alright, make sure your friends aren't around. Come on, let's go. Alright, the first trick I'm going to show you is very easy, very simple to do, but you do have to make a little bit of a gimmick. Alright, so you need a card. I like to use either jacks, queens, or kings. And what you're actually doing is you're actually made a little flap right here. And I'll explain this to you later. But let me, we'll come down here and I'll show you how to make this. Okay, so for this what you're going to need is some scissors and some tape. And then 2, like I said, 2 of the same cards. What you're going to do is cut the card right in half. Okay, you can actually make 2 of these if you have 3 kings or whatever you have. Okay, now you're going to take this card and line it right up here just like this, okay? And you're going to take a piece of tape. The tape goes right on the card like this. Another piece of tape. I like to place it right there on the end. And then one more on this side on this end, okay? That way now you have a card constructed like that. Now if you move it a lot really quick, you cannot see that line. Never want to hold it up to your audience like this. You always want to keep moving it. I like to have it, I'm doing other card tricks, I'll have this hidden in my pocket, and when I'm ready to do the card trick, I just bring it out and add it to the deck, okay? Now, you're going to take whatever type of bill you're using, you're going to fold it. You don't want to fold it in half, you want to leave a little bit of a space like this, okay? Alright, now, okay, so when you're ready to do the trick, your audience would be this way. This is what you actually see. I fold up the $100 bill like this. Now this is just going to go up in here. It goes right into the pocket right there, you see? Pretty simple. Now you want to fold it this way and also fold it this way. Alright? You tell them you're going to blow on it, then you turn it around, blow on it again, and when you open it up, it looks like it melted right through there, like that, you see? Now you can actually, look at that. I go like this. Doesn't that look so cool? Alright? You don't want to bring it all the way to the end, or it might come out like that and that will give it away, okay? So you can lift it up a little bit, okay? Doesn't that look awesome? Okay, so you just go like this, like to give it a motion. Now what I'm going to do, when you're ready to finish the trick, you're just going to pull it out really quick like this, okay? You do it slow, look what happens. What just happened there, you see? So you do it really fast. And then I actually just throw that away, or I'll put that in my pocket. They're not wanting to look at this, believe me. They're going to want to look at your money here. So you open it up, you hand it to them, and there you go. Pretty cool. What I'll do, I am going to give this away at the end of the video. I'll sign it. All you have to do is down in the comments say, I would like your fake $100 bill. Alright, and then I'll pick a lucky winner and I'll mail that out to you. Alright, wasn't that cool? Now let's learn the candy trick. Alright, this is so easy. Once I show you the secret, you're not going to believe this. What you're going to need is a bunch of extra candy, okay? And here's the secret ingredient, some super glue, okay? Or you can use some double-sided tape, would also work. But what I've actually done is I've glued all these Tootsie Rolls to the bottom of the plate like this, okay? Now this plate's kind of thin, so I went ahead and doubled it up. I put another plate there, and then as you can see, I took some tape, put some tape there. I got some right there. And then one more time, I think, yeah, right there. That way it's a little bit thicker than just a regular plate because it does feel kind of heavy. Okay, so you super glue all these on, or double-sided tape, or even some 3M tape would do it. Okay, now once you glue these on, of course you cannot eat them anymore, so they'll be garbage. But once you have this made, you are set. All right, so what I did is I actually took, you got to get the super glue out of the way, that might give it away. All right, I actually took some candy, put it in there. Now I took this plate, placed it right there on top, okay? Now you're not saying it's empty or anything, I'm just actually showing you this, so in your mind you kind of think, well, it's just got to be a few plates sitting there. All right, so what I did is then I took the pieces of candy and I placed them on the plate. Now here's the most important part. I'm going to pull this plate up. You see, if I do it like this, I'm looking in the camera, I can actually see it, okay? So what you do is you pull the plate almost like a door flap or something, okay? So you pull them both up, then you flap it down like this. Now I'm not saying this is empty, but people are going to say, well, how, that's got to be empty. He's turning it upside down. You see, so let me show you again. I come up like this, open the door flap, and place it right on top like this, okay? Then I turn it over 1, 2, 3 times, and I open, and then there you go. And then there is 2 loose pieces on there, so if you shake them a little bit, you see it goes around like that, so you can actually eat that piece or give that to your friend. Also, go to my shop in the description. I'm selling the little pipe thing now, so you can prank your friends. So there you go. 2 really simple, easy tricks you can do right now. All right. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you subscribe to me because I teach all kinds of really simple stuff. If you would like that $100 bill, play money, just leave a comment below. I would like the $100 bill. And also, if you didn't mind, let me know where you're from. Let me know if you're from TikTok or Instagram. I'd really appreciate that. Just leave that down in the comments. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask me a question. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks a lot. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you soon.